July 15, 2022 is a Friday. Welcome to your daily weather for Bronx. Dress for heat. The temperature today should reach up to 87 degrees Fahrenheit and down to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Humidity is at 29%. You can expect no rain and no snow today. Not many clouds. We've got moderate wind at about 11 miles per hour.
Tomorrow is going to be hot with light rain.
Sunday is going to be hot with light rain. Monday is going to be hot with moderate rain. Tuesday is going to be hot with light rain. Wednesday is going to be hot with few clouds. Thursday is going to be hot with light rain. Friday is going to be hot with clear sky. No weather alerts at the moment. And now for the news. Warning: some news stories can be disturbing or offensive. Stories are provided by various sources. For our next story, Jim Thorpe is restored as sole winner of 1912 Olympic gold medals. We welcome the fact that thanks to the great engagement of Bright Path Strong, a solution could be found, said Bach. Next up, proving that the state killed your son. On the morning of October 18, 2021, Lonnie Hamilton walked into a courtroom in Utica, New York, for the first day of A.T. Real over a lawsuit that he had filed. The room was nearly empty. In other New York news, the must-see films of Marco Bellocchio. Bellocchio deals in the deeply personal yet somehow not in the private photograph by Julian Leonard Getty, the Italian F. ILM director Marco Bellocchio, born in November 1939, is still going strong. For our next story, Ivana Trump was preparing for a vacation to St. Tropez when she died, friend says. Ivana Trump, the ex-wife of former President Donald Trump, was preparing for a trip to St. Tropez when she died, her furry. ND Nikki Haskell told Page 6. She was leaving for St. Tropez tomorrow. In our next story, BlackRock profit slumps as market turmoil eats into fees. Reuters. July 15, Reuters. BlackRock Inc. block. That's it, New York. Have a good one. To help support improvement of our show, please click subscribe. See description for sources. This content contains information from OpenWeather (TM) API, which is made available here under the Open Database License (ODBL).